What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, take this good ass energy, feel me? This camera quality is looking crazy to me. Different type of angles, different type of flavors, you feel me? So we're just like experimenting on the channel. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. That way I can give you like the best content. Can be like, I don't know, I'm on some motivational stuff as well. Besides beat making, I'm like, I want to help you guys on this channel and help you grow as well in your production and even in life. So let me know down below what you want to see next. Today we're going to cook up 2 beats inside of FL Studio. We're going to use this plugin called CAPSULE. Super fire plugin in my opinion. Like I love it, bro. So that's why I had to show you guys. The link for this plugin is in the description down below, so feel free to check that out. Anyways, let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. This first beat is like some sort of like Travis Don Toliver type of vibe. You guys know I love these type of beats, so let's just break it down. A lot of emotion into it, so I'll fast forward a little bit. Yo. Bro, that's hard. It's like synthy, it's moody, it's ambient, just my type of beats, bro. We started off with this scale right here. You can copy it over if you want to. It's really simple. If you use scales when making melodies, that way you can just like follow along and then use the scale to make like the melodies. It's just much easier to come up with like counter melodies, chords and stuff. That way you make sure everything is in the right key. So we're playing F sharp minor. Now we're going down. So if you open up the plugin, you have like different banks and stuff, and these sounds are fire. I just downloaded the whole library, bro. We can like preview every sound right here like this. You can also filter everything out. Some Playboy Cardi shit. Let's say you want keys, it will filter out all the keys inside of the plugin. The sound that I was using was called Big Blue Pad. So you just double click on the sound that you want, then you head over to play, and then you can just like mess around with it. Let's open it up a little bit. I like that. Add some chorus in there, a little bit of those high. Next up, I added this bass from CAPSULE as well underneath the Circuit City. I love the name, by the way. Right here I turned up the brightness and the FM, also a little bit of the drive as well, and really gave like that like rodeo Travis Scott type of vibe. I added some fast disc and EQ on this. The plugin allows you to slide the notes as well. If you hit this tab right here and then right here the voicing, you can make it glide. Ooh, that was looking fire though, not gonna lie. Next up we have this synth sound. It's one of like the main sounds that you're hearing in this beat. This is also a sound from CAPSULE. It's from the Neon pack right here. I really love this bang, bro. Well, I turned up the timbre, cut off a little bit. It can go crazy with this, like even space, more reverb, make it brighter. I added some guitaric and EQ on this as well, just to like polish the sound a little bit more. Those 3 together sounds like this. She don't wanna go to the door. Then I got a new kit coming. It's been a year, guys, since I dropped the drum kit. This one will be my hardest drum kit, bro. I'm telling you, I'm begging you, just wait for it. This is a phrase from the kit. It's called Galaxy Drum Kit. Y'all know I love dark ambient vibes, but this is like a little teaser, little preview of one of the phrases inside of the kit. And I added some automation on this as well for the volume. How you do that is right click, automate, and then volume right here, and then just like mess around with it. Also, the drums are from my new drum kit as well. Will be out soon. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to stay tuned for that. But this is what the hook sounds like. I did a little bit extra on the drums, you feel me? I started off with the snare. Just like a little accent hi-hat. What I added is another hi-hat just to create like some bounce, some groove, some rhythm. And right here, these are turned down a little bit more than the other two. I just didn't want the second one to be like as loud as the first one. I added a 2-step hi-hat, but what I added on these hi-hats was shaper box, and the preset is phaser wobble grain. So without it, it sounds like this. Just really simple, nothing too crazy. But then with the shaper box, then I went on and added a kick and the 808. I just copied over the 808 pattern on the kick pattern, but what I did is took out some notes. So this is what a kick sounds like. Really simple pattern. You can barely hear the kick, but it's there just to give like that extra punch. On the 808, I basically followed the notes from the bass that we added before, but I added some sliding notes and some extra top notes and stuff just to make it a little bit more interesting, you feel me? Shit. And for the verse, we have a 2-step hi-hat and the synth pitch down. Shit. Just to give like some variation in there. Yo. Also, the other hi-hat is just like at the end of each 2 bars. Create some room in there. What I want to add on the master is some EQing to add those highs in there. Make it a little bit more crispier. It's a nice tip I can give you. What we can also add is some distortion, just a little bit. Make it a little bit more crispier, you feel me? That's hard. Let's move on to the next beat, bro. I hope you're still here. If so, much love. Then this other beat is called Lucid. I was working on it, haven't finished it yet though. Hey, that's hard. Ooh. I totally forgot about this one. You ever had that moment, bro? You was cooking up something and it was like, let me say that for later. But then I was like, if you're hearing it right now, it's like hard. So we started off with this capsule sound from Stratus Drip. Yeah. Bro, what? I get way too excited when I'm making beats, bro. I hope y'all feeling it. Added another sound from Capsule. I was just like messing around with my keyboard and I was just doing some shit like this. This is what I came up with. Added some shaper box to it to make it go left and right, and Valhalla. Just adds a little bit more. Turn it down. I like that a lot. Let's pitch that down. Let me record that. We need to tweak it a little bit, but I think that's pretty nice. I like that. Reverb. Fuck. crank up the 808. We need like some kind of counter melody, like a lead or something. Chill, Cardi-ish type beat. And right here, I want a different 808. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram @SconnerBeats and make sure to go check out Capsule. The link is in the description. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all the love and the support. Leave a comment down below as well what you want to see next. Like, could be anything, bro. Other than that, tune in for the next video on Wednesday. Be there, be square. Nah, that was corny as hell. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.